हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम एमएससी जूलॉजी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर सेकंड पेपर बायोकेमिस्ट्री का टॉपिक राइट्स स्टडी करेंगे, जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन है। कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर वन ऑफ द फोर मेजर बायोमोलिक्यूल essential for life. Among them, oligosaccharides hold a unique position due to their diverse roles in biological systems, such as signaling, structural support, and energy storage. Oligosaccharides are carbohydrates composed of a small number, typically 2 to 10, of monosaccharides unit linked by glycosidic bond. This as discuss their occurrence, chemistry properties, and hydrolysis highlights their importance in zoology and biochemistry. Definition of oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are short chain of monosaccharides connected by glycosidic bond. They can be classified based on the numbers of monosaccharides unit they contain. Disaccharides, 2 monosaccharides unit, sucrose and lactose. Trisaccharides, 3 monosaccharides unit, example raffinose. Tetrasaccharides, 4 monosaccharides unit, example stachyose. These molecules are found in various biological systems and play roles in cellular recognition, immune response, and energy metabolism. Occurrence of oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are naturally found in many organisms and biological systems. First, plant raffinose and stachyose are common in legumes and seeds. Second, animals. Glycoproteins and glycolipids in cells membrane often contain oligosaccharides as their carbohydrate moieties. Third, milk. Human and animal milk contain oligosaccharides that serve as prebiotics promoting gut health. Fourth, microorganism. Bacterial cells wall and exopolysaccharides often include oligosaccharides for structural integrity. These molecules are widespread in nature and are crucial for various physiological and ecological processes. Chemistry of oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides are formed by condensations of monosaccharides resulting in glycosidic bond. Their structure can be linear or branched, and their chemical characteristics depend on first monosaccharides composition, second linkage types, third substitutes. First, monosaccharides compositions. They may include glucose, lactose, fructose, mannose, etc. Second, linkage types. Glycosidic bond can vary in positions, example alpha 1,4 or beta 1,6, and influence their properties. Third, substituents. Oligosaccharides may have functional groups like sulfate or phosphate, modifying their reactivity. An example of their chemical structure is sucrose, glucose plus fructose, linked by an alpha 1 to glycosidic bond. Properties of oligosaccharides. First, solubility. They are generally water soluble due to their hydroxyl group, which allow hydrogen bonding with water. Second, sweetness. Many oligosaccharides such as sucrose are sweet tasting. Third, viscosity. They can increase the viscosity of solution, useful in food and industrial application. Fourth, prebiotic activity. Certain oligosaccharides promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Fifth, low calorific value. Compared to polysaccharides, they provide fewer calories, making them suitable for low calories diets. Hydrolysis of oligosaccharides. Hydrolysis is the breakdown of oligosaccharides into their constituent monosaccharides catalyzed by enzymes or acids. For example, first enzymatic hydrolysis. Enzymes like amylase, sucrase, and lactase break specific glycosidic bond. Sucrose catalyzed by sucrase, glucose plus fructose. Lactose catalyzed by lactase, glucose plus galactose. Second, acidic hydrolysis. Oligosaccharides can be hydrolyzed by acids, although this is less specific and may result in side reactions. The hydrolysis process is critical in digestion, where dietary oligosaccharides are broken down in monosaccharides for absorption. Biological importance of oligosaccharides. First, energy source. Disaccharides like sucrose provide immediate energy upon hydrolysis. Prebiotics promote gut health by nourishing beneficial bacteria such as Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. Third, cell signaling. Glycoproteins and glycolipids with oligosaccharides chains are involved in cellular recognition and signaling processes. Fourth, immune functions. Some oligosaccharides act as antigen or help in pathogen recognition by the immune system. Application in zoology and biochemistry. First, milk oligosaccharides promote infant gut health and immunity by serving as prebiotics. Second, glycoproteins, crucial for processes like fertilization, immune response, and hormone functions. Third, research and therapeutics studies for their roles in cancers, infections, and genetic disorders. Fourth, industrial uses. Used in food as sweeteners, thickeners, and stabilizers. Conclusions. Oligosaccharides are indispensable biomolecule playing diverse role in energy metabolism, cellular communication, and health maintenance. Their hydrolysis into monosaccharides is a vital biochemical process, aiding in energy productions and nutrient absorptions. Understanding their occurrence, chemistry, and properties enhance our knowledge of their functions in biological systems and their potential applications in science and industry. References.